Just record us. Hey, Carmen. You mama. Come here, Carmen. Come here, Carmen. I won't bite you for licking me. Okay. Ah. She don't lick me.
It's a floating hand in a mirror.
Carmen, you're a big dog. You just licked me all over my face. Suffocate.
Okay, I'm gonna put this on pause. Haley, you know, Andrew. I got a boyfriend.
And look at you
Karma.
gonna run up to me with my.
Okay, it's still on. Oh. No, that's not still on. Look at Karma. She ran away because she ran away from you.
Come here, Carmen. You know you love me. Ow. Hey, gorilla.
Now what can you say? She is not a gorilla.
Kiss me. She just kissed me.
Maybe she want to make out with you.
Karma, you wanna make out with me?
Probably in the bed. Hey,
You're a beautiful, big, fat dog.
do you like my brother Devontae?
No.
Yes, you do, and stop lying. These people on the video, they probably don't know.
Carmi. Come on, Carmi. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, you big gorilla. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Meow. Come on. Come on, you want a doggy treat? You want my finger? Come on, you want my finger? You want my finger? You
Now
want-
tell her to pull your middle finger.
Come on, pull my middle finger. Come on, Carmi.
Oh my god, you just did! And then she just did, and she came over when you pulled her middle finger.
Come on, Carmi. You're.
Ooh, girl, she want to make out with you? Ooh, girl, she putting your hands on you. Hey, Haley,
What?
do you want me to shut this off now?
Yeah.
Okay.